And now for Hans, you already asked what are the requirements of the pressure chamber. So let's have a look at that. What are the functions of the pressure chamber? The aim of the pressure chamber is diverting the air and a minimum amount of resistance into the air scrubber. So also in this area, that the air is going into the air scrubber with minimum resistance. Also, the air must be divided along the width of the air scrubber, so you get a homogeneous air mixture. There are actually two main criteria of making a pressure chamber, and that are that the fans and the air intake, as you can see here, are at least 3 meters apart, and that also the Vmax, so your maximum airspeed, is not above 2.5 meters per second. The shape of the pressure chamber can vary it, but it's preferable, as you can see on the picture on the left, that when your house is this wide, your scrubber is either a little bit less wide, or that the air scrubber is a bit wider than your house, but not that your scrubber is much wider than your house. Oh. Go back, I went a bit too quick. And always keep in mind that there is a 3 meter difference between the fans and the air scrubber, the entrance of the air scrubber. The general design of a pressure chamber is similar to the air duct. It's necessary that also, again, similar to the air duct, are few kinks and blockage as possible, because you want a nice even flow into your air scrubber. Also, the pressure chamber has to be 100% airtight and resistant to ammonia. The pressure chamber has to be accessible for maintenance, and therefore it's recommendable to have inspection lights in here as well. Because of the ammonia concentration that is coming towards the air scrubber, it's recommendable that all the mounting materials are out of stainless steel. This pressure chamber needs coating. The coating should be applied on the floor and the wall of the pressure chamber. We recommend that the coating is applied 1 meter above the reformation point, and mostly this reformation point is 1 meter above your floor level. Also, coat the area on the floor 1 meter past the module intake. The coating itself has to be water resistant and capable of protecting the walls and floor of ammonia of a concentration up to 50 ppm. When you have a chemical air scrubber, the coating should be capable, should withstand sulfuric acid of a pH of 2. And also because ammonium sulfate comes out of the process of cleaning the air of a chemical air scrubber, the coating should resistant against 17.3%. When using a biological air scrubber, we strongly recommend that the coating is also applied. Now I have a picture of a pressure chamber. Here we can clearly see the coating that is applied even more than 1 meter above against the wall. The fans will be cut out into this floor, and we have a more than 3 meters distance from fan into the air intake of the scrubber. When we are connecting the air scrubber to the pressure chamber, it has to be airtight connection. But due to expansion coefficient of the PP material we use for air scrubber, there should be space where the air scrubber can work during summer or winter time when the scrubber is getting bigger or smaller due to temperature differences. So you have to make it airtight, but you need to have space where the scrubber can grow or expand. Here you can see an example where the scrubber is too airtight connected to the pressure chamber. So what do we recommend? It's recommendable that when you place the air scrubber against the wall, you put in between a little bit of space where you can apply a rubber profile, and then to make it airtight, you put another rubber profile on top of each other and make an airtight solution.